Hi! In this video, I will show you how to use Adobe Express quick and easy. Here, in the left side of your screen is the Add button, where you can open blank templates for different social media platforms. Inside of it also is the quick actions, and you can custom your own size of your project. Next here is your Stuff page, where all your projects done in Adobe Express will be stored. Here in Explore is the different templates available in Adobe Express. Different templates to choose from for your photos, videos, design assets, and backgrounds. In this Schedule page, you can schedule postings of your projects to different social media platforms. You just need to drag and drop your files here and select Schedule. Put in your preferred date and time. Select Channel. And add your caption. You can also preview it. The last page is this Learn page. This is the big question right here. What do you want to make in Adobe Express? Just click one of these and you can make it from scratch. You can browse templates, or if you have a current project, you can edit it here. It is very accessible to different social media platforms. For example, in Instagram, they have here pre-made layout with its standard size for Instagram post, Instagram story, Instagram reel, and etc. Okay, let's try here to make Facebook cover. We will search for templates that suits our style. In here, there are many Facebook cover templates to choose from. To search for background pictures, let's click on Media and type in what background to like, and select it. And that image will automatically reflect on our background template. To resize, just drag its corners. Let's add some text in here. Click on Text and click on Add your text and type in any text that you want. In here is where you can edit or format your text. Change its font style, font size, making the text bold, italicized, and underlined. Even the alignment here can be edited. We also have text layout here in default and dynamic settings. Change the color of the font, the opacity, and we have also text effects, shadow, shape, and animation of our text. Let's try the recommended fonts right here. And here it is, our sample Facebook cover photo. And that's it. Thank you for watching. For more videos like this, please subscribe on our YouTube channel. Bye!